Hey Tony, this is Wally here at Tameron Hyundai here in Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for the inquiry on the 13 Hyundai Elantra. As you can see, it has your bright silver paint with your halogen headlights with fog lamps. As you follow me around here, you got your alloy wheels with your new tires. You got your breakaway mirrors with your turn indicators right here. And this vehicle also comes with a sunroof. This vehicle is fully loaded. When you follow me around here, you got the black leather interior with the power doors, power windows, power locks. Also has your 6-disc CD changer with navigation. Again, Tony, I want to thank you for your inquiry on this Elantra. It's a great little vehicle and I'd love to see you drive away in it. Again, my name's Wally. You can best reach me on my cell phone. It's 256-689-6272. I'd love to get you down here, get you in this vehicle, take you on a VIP test drive. Again, it's 256-689-6272, and you'll love the way you'll be treated here.